Hey everybody, thanks for tuning into your Arsenal Advisor. This video is going to be about some motorcycles. So I also like motorcycles and I ride them. And I have some footage from my trip to Belgium last year, and I also have found a pretty nice renovation of one like what I found in Belgium, and then just some other pictures I had related to that. And then at the end of the video, something that kind of gave me pause when I was walking through the streets of Brussels. Anyway, enjoy the footage.
Here is the Harley Davidson 42 WLA. So it looks like in 1939 the Army was looking to purchase some of these motorcycles, and after the war started they put in a lot of orders for them, and by the time it was 42, I guess it says they made 88,000 of them, and it's a 750 cc engine with about 25 horsepower. So I found this at the Hagerstown Aviation Museum. They had a B-29 and a P-51 and a military vehicle and surplus swap meet at the same time. And this looked like a really great renovation of one of these WLAs. So here's a German one, a Zundap KS600, used by the Wehrmacht, and it says that it was used by East Germany up into the 1950s. So here's what gave me pause walking through the streets of Brussels. I was going by this motorcycle. I was like, hey, what's my motorcycle doing here? Because I have the same, what looks like the same model with a few different cosmetic changes.
All right, everybody, hopefully you enjoyed a little bit of that content I was able to put together. I did think it was kind of funny. I was walking back to the hotel and found what looked like my motorcycle right on the side of the sidewalk, where I was walking. So that's actually basically the same motorcycle I actually have, that Suzuki DL1000, just, with some minor changes. None of the decals I decorated mine with, but I thought that was pretty interesting. So I kind of wrapped all those things together into this video. So appreciate you watching.